Alright, so I put in 1.5 cups of sugar and 1/2 cup of butter, and then I'm gonna cream this together. So I mixed the butter and the sugar together, and now I'm going to add the eggs. They're going to be added one by one. Combine the 3 eggs with the sugar and butter mixture. Combined 2 cups of flour, 3.5 teaspoon baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Alright, so I got 1 cup of milk, and then I'm going to add the milk and flour mixture alternatively to the sugar butter mixture. Here it is half mixed. Here it is fully mixed. Added Korean hot pepper flakes on this to add a bit of spice. Okay, so I chopped up about 2 pears, and now I'm going to put it in a pan and douse it in rice cooking wine so I can make a compote, or like a filling for the cake here. So I put the vanilla and the pear mixture into the cake mixture here, and I added a bit of cinnamon. The pears will give it a moist texture, so I'm hoping it turns out good. So I am going to use Mandarin Juice, and I put it in the pan here. So I put the honey into the pan, and now I'm going to boil it up. Well, not boil it, but meld the honey and the juice together on medium-low heat. I put a bit of flour to thicken it up. So I mashed up some of the mandarin to make the glaze. And I put it on high heat for a while until it clumps up. As you can see, the Mandarin glaze is clumping up. Alright, we will preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Right now, we're just gonna grease the cake pan that we're gonna use. Yeah, just with butter. So I've greased my pan here. Okay, so I've poured it in the cake pan, and now we're gonna put it in the oven. Okay, so I put it on the top place in the oven because I don't want it to heat up too much because it's glass. Alright. Then I'm just gonna pop it for maybe 45 minutes or so. So I finally finished the cake, and now I'm gonna put the glaze on it. So here it is with the glaze on it. So I finished the cake and I decorated it with mandarin and some pears on the outside here. Alright, so this is the finished cake, and I plated it. It's not the most beautiful, but probably tastes good. So I just tasted it, and it tastes great. Enjoy.